Amazon affiliate case study. About 9 months ago, around August 2019, this guy here, Miles Beckler, a guy I love so much. He's more like my virtual mentor, like many others, because he's doing something I want to do. He's giving everything that he has learned online, or how he's earning money online, to the world, basically for free. And you can't hate this guy. He's just good at what he does, with the passion and the enthusiasm he applies to whatever he does. So as I said, in August last year, he told his followers that he wanted to start an affiliate marketing case study to show the world that it's possible to earn $3,000 within a year. It was a huge promise. So some of us decided that, hey, why not join this case study? Why not partake in this? Because he extended that opportunity to everybody who want to start an affiliate marketing business or an online business that can replace your income. And he actually compared it to real estate in the US, the return on investment there, and what you get from an affiliate marketing business. So I joined his challenge and started a site just like he mentioned. Let me go to the case study itself. Let me search for case study on the site.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Okay, so there you go, affiliate marketing website example case study. This was the first month, so it was a month-over-month updates on what he was doing. He didn't reveal his niche or what he was doing, keywords he was using, because of course people would go behind him and skew his analytics and all of that. So he only showed the processes and how he was going about managing his team and everything about putting things together to make the site successful. So every month he was briefing his followers, and I was also doing same. The difference between what I was doing and what he was doing was that he had a team, he had a budget. So if you read this post here, he will talk about everything he's investing into this business, because he's looking at earning $3,000 and he has invested so much. So my team and I can build an affiliate marketing website from 0 to $3,000 a month revenue in 1 year. That was the hypothesis. That was the idea. That was the goal. So he started, he didn't start from scratch. He bought a site from Human Proof Designs. This is a website that has ready-made websites, affiliate marketing websites that you can easily start to monetize or add content and start earning from them. So there you go. These are some of the sites on Human Proof Designs. They have authority sites that they sell. The monthly profit potential about 1,932. You can view the site. The site is going for 5,400. These are authority sites in baby products hunting, and they have Supreme sites as well. That is going for 2,999. And then they have standard sites. That is about 1,298. So these are sites you can easily buy and then add more content. They have a number of content on it already. You just have to add more content and continue with your content strategy. Add your affiliate links, and then you can start ranking and receive your commissions from Amazon, or mostly they are Amazon affiliated. So he bought one of these. I started afresh. There were so many things he had I didn't have, and that was good. That was another recommendation he made, that if you don't have the money, you may have the time to do it. So some of us, we didn't have the money, we had the time to do this, and not to make this video so long, finally, after 9 months, this was an email Miles sent to everybody on his email list, that now that April is upon us, I'm 10 months into my affiliate case study site. The big question at month 0 was, with everything I know about building successful business online, can I create a niche affiliate site to generate $3,000 per month in 1 year? The niche I chose was random at best. I literally clicked and bought a pre-made affiliate site from here. That is what I was talking about there. He just bought one of these sites here. I have links to this website in the description area. You can click and buy yourself one, and then you can also start your own case study and tell us about that in about a year's time. Let's continue with the email. Since purchasing the site, my team and I have done countless hours of keyword research and product research. We have had to hire and fire 6 writers and writing teams to find the one that worked for us. Combined, we have published 89 of the absolute best posts on our product topic in niche that we possibly could. In all in all, my team have spent about 40 to 60 man hours per week, every week building this out. And the results continue to compound. Check out the screenshot with March's numbers below. So that is the screenshot. He was earning about 2,360 within March. And by April, as I am making this video, he's earning more than 3,500. So he has overachieved. He has exceeded his target. That means it's possible. That is the power of compounding and how you can build an online business, successful online business from scratch within 10 months. Like we started with this case study. He had a team. He has invested not less than $20,000 into this. So he's actually going to recoup his investment. I invested my time, a few resources, foundation, getting the sites up, and a few other resources that I needed to make the site work. But I did it myself alone. And this is my results in month 10 as Miles did. So there you go. This is my version of this case study. So within this month, April 1st to April 23rd, as I make this video, I'm earning $1,022 US for this purpose. And if you look at the last 30 days, let's see how much I've earned. That is 1,391. I have not published 89 as Miles has done because he has a team, a content manager, and all of that, and a huge budget behind his business. I have myself, my knowledge of SEO, content creation, and all of that in combination, and this is what I have also been able to achieve. So basically, it's possible. Probably within 2 months' time, I'll be able to achieve $3,000 as Miles has, because it's possible if only I keep on adding more content, more relevant keywords to the site. So this is just a quick note and a way of encouraging you that it's possible. I'm actually in Africa, so if you saw that in the headline, I'm in Africa and I've been able to do this. So everybody can do this everywhere. You only need the right people to direct you and the right support, the right information, and it's possible. You can do it and make it work for you. So basically, this Amazon affiliate case study has worked for me. It can also work for you. All you have to do is to put work into this. I've done this for 10 months non-stop because it's a challenge for me. I am actually tracking myself or measuring myself to what Miles is doing, even though he has a big budget and a team behind him. I'm also measuring myself in my own small way, and if I can do it, why not? You can also do it. It's only an encouragement to you if you want to start an online business. I have a link in the description of this video. Go into those links, sign up. I would have a masterclass on how I did this and how I'll be doing all my affiliate marketing business and how I'll continue to do all my affiliate marketing business and sites. So sign up, register for this masterclass. When I have enough people, then we can start with how I can help you also achieve this feat. It's possible, especially if you're in Africa. You can do this and make this work for you.